Again, working with our basic skill set with derivatives, one way to handle the derivative of polynomials, here we have a composition of a first polynomial times a second polynomial, is to simply expand it out. Just multiply them together, and then put it in degree order, and then just use a power rule to differentiate term by term. So that's what I'm going to do for this first method for x squared plus 3x times x plus 9. So first I'll use FOIL. I've written some red arrows, and it should work out pretty easily. All the terms are positive. So here we go. X squared times x is x cubed, and then x squared times 9 is 9x squared, and 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times 9 is 27x. So then I'm going to take the derivative of this polynomial chain. So it is almost in degree order. Here there are two middle terms of degree 2. So I'll tidy that up first. And I have x cubed plus 12x squared plus 27x. And I'll take the derivative as follows. So as we know with the power rule, each power, and it's in degree order, will go down by 1. We'll bring it to the front, and it'll be multiplied to the coefficients. So x cubed becomes 3x squared. 12x squared will become 12 times 2 is 24x. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 27x, the derivative of that is simply 27. And there we have it. The answer is the first derivative of x squared plus 3x times x plus 9 is 3x squared plus 24x plus 27. Well, another way to do the same problem is to use the product rule. So here we start with the same two polynomials, and it's the product of them x squared plus 3x times x plus 9. And here I'm going to call the first one f of x. And in parentheses in place, I will call x plus 9 g of x. So to take the first derivative, we can follow this form. We take the first times the derivative of the second plus the second function times the derivative of the first. And this will also give us, just like we did before polynomial expansion, the first derivative of now the product of f of x and g of x. So here we go. So I'm going to simply rewrite f of x above on the red line. It was x squared plus 3x. And the first derivative of the blue function is, well, d dx of x is just 1. And 9 is a constant, so we don't need to write that. It goes to 0, and then we'll also add g of x, which is x plus 9, and multiply that by the first derivative of f of x, which will be 2x plus 3. All right. So 1 times anything is itself, so we have x squared plus 3x. Plus, I'm just going to do FOIL, and I'll write it out. I'll write out the 4 terms. X times 2x is 2x squared, plus 3x, plus another 18x, plus 27. And then, just using circles and triangles so I don't get lost, I'll put circles around the x squareds, and I'll just put triangles around the linear components of x. And then when I group them, it will make fewer errors in my work. And then here we have it. We have the exact same derivative, 3x squared plus 24x plus 27, using the product rule.